Hey guys, Billy Davidson here with Davidson Pressure Washing Painting, Hammond, Louisiana. Thanks for joining us in this video. In this video today, we're going to talk about picking up some pressure washing jobs in the off season. Today, we're going to talk about some pressure washing jobs that you can pick up in the off season or pretty much any time, but a lot of the times these jobs are overlooked by other power washing companies in your area. So-called your competition may be just passing these jobs up, and these are some jobs that are really great paying jobs and can be done fairly easily on the weekend. Also, if you need some help estimating commercial jobs like this, go check out BillyDavidsonVIP.com. Scroll down till you see the course on estimating commercial jobs for power washing, and go ahead and join in, and you can learn exactly how to quote these, and you'll be surprised how much more these pay than other types of jobs. So in this video, we're pressure washing or cleaning and surface cleaning inside of a service shop bay. This is where they do mechanic work, they do service on different automobiles and other things like that. So this thing had been years without being cleaned, and it was really smelly, it was really greasy, it was very dirty. They even had some dead rodents in certain areas that we got out of there. But first thing first is always safety. So you'll want to get with the service manager of this particular building that you may be going after, especially while you're estimating it, and find out about the electrical components. In this particular case, we just turned off the entire electricity coming to the shop. We didn't need it on for any particular reason, so that was going to protect us and protect their equipment as well. Just one big main breaker, so usually they know exactly where it's at, and that is a must whenever you're dealing with water and soap solutions and stuff like that. So also, we covered up some sensitive components such as some big breaker boxes and stuff like that. But mainly, you want to shut that electricity off and then coordinate that with the shop manager. Another way of getting these jobs is going directly to the shop manager or the service manager. Oftentimes you can find their email address at a car dealership or a marine shop or something like that, or a diesel mechanic place. Get their email, send them an email, approach them, set up a meeting, that sort of thing, and let them know the benefits of cleaning these shops out. It's safety for them because you degreasing the whole place, and also it smells better, looks better, and it gives a much better work environment for the employees there. And I'll tell you, every time we've done one of these where we went in and washed it and went back and striped lines in them, all the employees there were just basically very grateful that we even took the job. Oftentimes, there are a lot of things you have to move out of the way, toolboxes and things like that. So all of that should be added into your estimate. And again, we kind of go over all of that in our little course called Estimating Commercial Pressure Washing Jobs on BillyDavidsonVIP.com. Oftentimes, these jobs can be done while it's raining outside, while it's snowing outside, and anytime. Basically, we just find a long weekend when they're shut down. We coordinate that with them. We go in on Friday afternoon and start our process. Oftentimes, they're open back up on Monday, and it gives you, a good 2.5 days to get the job done, get things dried out with some floor fans, that sort of thing, get things moved back in place. And they are a little time consuming, but the pay is much more than just going pressure wash some small residential house. Oftentimes, these shops pay thousands of dollars to go in and clean them. And then on top of it, if you're doing the parking lot striping like we teach, you can go in and restripe the guidelines and floor markings in these shops. And there's a ton of floor markings in there as well. So again, think about these. Go hit these places like car dealerships, marine shops, mechanic shops, any of these shops, tire places, all of these places in these areas that you live in that has service shops, service doors like you see in this video, cleaning all that up. And you'll be surprised how many of these jobs you can land because your competition is just passing them up and not watching my videos. So again, if this video has been helpful, please consider hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next video. And we hope to see you in the next video, and we'll talk to you soon.